Okay, my name is Kyle Song and I am in Python 1. My idea is a program that where the user is asked to sort various random colors of Skittles into various colors of bins, and it calculates how many they have sorted correctly and outputs the player's result at the end. What I learned and used for my project during class, I learned about searching and filtering, which I use in my project. First, searching goes across every element in the data structure and matches it with the value I am searching for. And filtering is a built-in function that allows you to process an iterable and extract items that satisfy a given condition. So this is the code that I wrote. You just type one, two, or three, and then it will sort it out in the bins. Yeah, it's scored 4 out of 10 Skittles. And then my favorite part about working on this project was learning writing, how the code works and functions. And if I were to continue to work on this project, I would add more bins to sort from, and I would add more colors to sort from. And yeah, that's about it. Thank you.